You can import data into Exelare from spreadsheets. Now the spreadsheets need to be a .csv extension, which is a comma delimited format. That data can be imported into companies, contacts, candidates, and jobs. In this instance, we're going to import into contacts. In the upper right, click the drop-down, Import from CSV, and you can either drag and drop your files or select them. Then determine what you want to do with duplicate records. If you don't mind duplicate records, select Allow. If you do not want duplicate records created, define what determines a duplicate record, then click Next. You'll see a list of all the column headers from your spreadsheet on the left, and if the field name matches exactly to the Exelare field name, it will automatically map for you. If it does not, in this instance, we'll say email ID. You can either go through the list or just start typing, and once you see a field that is appropriate, select it. You can also add these people directly to a saved list. So if you've created a saved list that you want these people added to, select it from the list. If not, go ahead and hit Finish. And you'll see your progress here, and this finished. And let me go ahead and close this out. Now, how do you view those records? Well, simply go to the drop-down, Added by Me, and you will see the 20 records that you just entered.